So Gabriela is from Yole Group, which is a fantastic market research group and market intelligence group. They look at a lot of industries, including packaging. And so Gabriela will be telling us about advanced packaging, market trends, technology, and challenges. So Gabriela, good luck.
Thank you. Is this the thing I use? Okay. So hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Pereira. I'm from Yole Group. I'm a technology and market analyst. So as you've been told, Yole is a market research company. We focus on market research for the semiconductor industry. This means several topics, including semiconductor manufacturing and semiconductor packaging, which is a topic that I'm focusing on already for 3 years at Yole. But we also cover other topics like power electronics, RF, sensing, computing memory, compound semiconductors, and so on. So this presentation, I will focus on the advanced packaging market, including market trends, technology trends, and also some of the challenges. So you can already see here in the presentation outline, I'll start by giving an overview of the semiconductor market and the value chain. Then I'll move on to the packaging market, where I show you some more details on how the Europe demand for semiconductor packaging is going against the rest of the world. Then I show a little bit of more details comparing the advanced and traditional packaging in terms of market numbers. Then when it comes to advanced packaging, I'll give you a little bit more color when it comes to market trends and technology trends. And then finally, I'll also touch a little bit on additive manufacturing and where it can actually be used in advanced packaging. So, okay, starting with an overview of the semiconductor industry value chain. We estimate that in 2023, the semiconductor market reached approximately $530 billion. From those revenues, around 22% came from design, so device design, 62% from wafer production, and only about 16% from packaging and tests. From the device perspective, and in terms of manufacturing those devices and designing those devices, we can see that 37% of these total revenues came from fabless companies, so companies like Apple, Qualcomm, NVIDIA, AMD, so on. And also the other remaining 63% came from IDMs like Intel, Samsung, Infineon, NXP, TI, and so on. So definitely we can see that packaging and test is still taking a minor part of the value chain in the semiconductor industry. However, that value should continue to increase with time as also the semiconductor value increases and also with the use of more complex high-end packaging technologies. So just giving a few examples of how the supply chain looks like in terms of manufacturers of packaging and tests. So we do have the OSATs, the big OSATs like ASE, Amkor, JSET, and others that definitely are very focused on the packaging and test. That's their whole business. And more because they are highly ranked, they do invest a lot in advanced packaging technologies rather than just the traditional or mainstream technologies. Then we have also foundries, the main one being TSMC, that is basically just focusing on the high-end technologies when it comes to advanced packaging, not really traditional packaging, is definitely one of the leaders when it comes to innovation and to high-end packaging supply on the advanced packaging space. And then finally, we also have IDMs as participants in this packaging and test supply chain. We have companies like Intel and Samsung that really focus on high-end technologies and solutions for their own products, but also try to outsource some of their foundry and packaging services. And then we have others like Infineon, NXP, TI, ST Microelectronics, and others that do it mostly for their internal products, but they also outsource, actually many times, most of their production to the OSATs and foundries. So now focusing on the packaging forecast, so semiconductor packaging revenue forecast. And here I'm showing the breakdown of the packaging demand in Europe, versus the rest of the world. So this is packaging demand, not really production. We can see that in 2023, we estimate that this packaging market reached around $92 billion, and it will grow with a 7% CAGR in the next 5 years to reach something like $137 billion in 2029. So in 2023, we estimate that Europe took around 8% of the semiconductor packaging demand. Again, this is not manufacturing, this is just